Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you're new here, you may as well hit subscribe because you're already here anyways. Today's video is going to be a workout video, and for this workout video, we're going to be doing a ballet inspired total body workout. Now, we're not going to use any timers or anything. We are going to do repetitions. So let's go ahead and get started. Just find a comfortable seated position. We are going to start in all fours, but before that, let's warm up our shoulders a little bit. Roll our shoulders up and back for 10, 9, 8, 7, let's go a little bit faster, 6, 5, putting the elbows into it, 4, 3, 2, 1, reverse and keeping it quick for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's roll out those wrists for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just tilt your head side to side, rolling some circles. And we're going to begin on all fours in a tabletop position. Hands underneath our shoulders, belly button to spine, knees underneath our hips. Go ahead and tuck your toes under and find a bear hold. From here, we're going to reach our right foot back. You can point or flex it, totally up to you. Reaching it, bring it back in, tap the knees down, reset, tuck the toes under, lift the shins again. And we do the same with the left, squeezing the left glute to lift the left leg parallel to the floor, bring it back in, tap it down, and up. And again, to the right, bring it in, tap it down, and up. To the left, bring it in, tap it down, and up. Again, to the right, bring it in, tap it down, up. To the left, bring it in, tap it down, and up. Let's try again. To the right, bring it in, tap it down, up. To the left, last one, bring it in, tap it down, and up. Go ahead, untuck the toes, just sit back, roll out the wrists a couple of times. We're going back to our tabletop position. This time, take your hands a little bit closer to the edges of your mat. You can take your left foot back. We're gonna squeeze our glute to lift the left leg as high as you can. And then you're gonna do a little push-up, keep lifting the leg. Beautiful. Push back up. And then we're gonna bend and flex our knee. Bend our knee, belly button to spine connection, flex our foot, stretch, tap it down, and lift it up. We do that push-up again. Keep lifting the leg, push away from the floor, bend, stretch, tap it down, and up. We do that 6 more times. Push down, push away, flex, bend, stretch, tap it down. 5 more times. Push down, away, flex and bend, stretch, tap it down, and up. 4 more. Push, up, squeeze the glutes, flex, stretch, down, up. We do 4. Push, away, flex, stretch, tap, lift. 4, 3, push, lift. Keep squeezing the glutes when you lift your leg. Lower down. 2 more. Lift, push, up, squeeze, away, tap down, lift up. 2 more. Push, lift, bend, stretch, tap down. Last one. Push, lift, squeeze, lift, tap down, and lift it up. Good. We do the same thing to the other side. Take the leg behind us. It is parallel. Squeeze the glute to lift the leg. And we do our push. Push. Keep the leg lifted. Flex, bend. Squeeze away. Tap down. And up. Again. Push. Lift. Flex. Stretch. Tap down. 6 more. Push. Lift. Flex. Away. Tap down. And up. We do 5. Push. Lift. Flex. Away. Down. Up for 4. Push. Squeeze. Lift. flex, bend, stretch, down, and up. 3 more. Push, lift, flex, and stretch. Lower down, lift it up. Keep the core engaged the whole time. Lift, flex, stretch, down, up, again, push, lift, flex, stretch. Last one, lift it up, you got this. Push, lift, bend, stretch, down, and up, and relax. Beautiful. Go ahead and swing your legs in front, and let's start with our left leg in front. So mine's going to be opposite of you. From one side to the next, keep a windshield wiper movement in your legs as you go from one double stag to the next. Beautiful. Good, let's do one more each side. Good. From here, swing your legs in front, and you're gonna rotate your legs here, keeping your back nice and lengthened. If you can keep your shoulders stacked on top of your hips. Otherwise, bring your shoulders back, keeping your back nice and lengthened. You can use the floor, try to just use your fingertips, and we lift the leg up and down 10 times. You can also, alternatively, take your arms in second. We lift the right leg for 10, rotating the legs. 9, keeping the knees stretched. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay with me. 1, sit back a little bit. The left leg comes up and taps down, and up, taps down. 3, we do 5, 4, and last one, 5, beat to change. Lower the right, come back up. Shake it out for a second, and we do the same thing with the left leg, raising up 10 times. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay with me. 1, reach back a bit, bring the right leg up for 5, lower it down. 4, 3, 2, I'm shaking so much. Last one, beat to change, and relax. Go ahead and take a butterfly, stretch it out. Last but not least, we're going to go onto our side. Lay all the way down for this one. And you're gonna take your top leg behind you. Rotate the bottom leg, slightly lift the waist underneath you. We lift the leg up and down 10 times for 10, 9, keeping it turned out, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. 1, flex the foot, bring it parallel now, and give me 10 pulses to the sky for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay with me. 1, rotate the leg, turn it out, bring it slightly hovering off the floor. Take the top leg to a retiré. We lift the knee, développé, keep the bottom leg lifted, lower down, and again, toe to knee, lift the knee, développé, and down. Last one, toe to knee, keep the bottom leg lifted, lift the knee, extend, and lower down. Beautiful, shake it out. And we do the same thing, second side. Go ahead, take your opposite leg underneath you, top leg goes behind you, rotate the bottom leg, we lift it up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, I'm vertical from the top of my head to my toes. 4, 3, 2, stay with me. 1, flex the foot, bring it parallel. 10 pulses. We do 10, 9, lifting it higher. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Point through the toes, rotate the leg, keep it hovering off the floor. Top leg goes to retire. We lift the knee. Développé. Lower down. Again. Toe to knee. Lift the knee. Développé. And down. Last one. Toe to knee. Lift the knee. Extend. And relax. Beautiful. Shake it out. Last but not least, go ahead and swing your legs behind you. You can take your knees open into a frog, just to stretch out your inner thighs a little bit. Beautiful. Legs go behind us, push into the floor, sit up into a cobra. Let's push back. Take a step forward with your left leg into a lunge, just to stretch out your hip flexors. And let's sit back, stretch your front knee. Maybe walking your hands on the inside to open up the hip a little bit. Reaching forward, sitting back, rocking forward and back. Beautiful. Walk back. And switch legs. Take your right leg forward. Lunge. And let's stretch our front knee. And same thing. You can walk your hand onto the inside, stretch out your inner thigh. Square it off. Beautiful. Last but not least, tuck your toes under, lift your hips into your downward facing dog. Just breathe here. Relax your heels into the floor, push your hands into the floor, lengthen your spine. Lift your heels up on the inhale. Exhale, release the knees down, untuck the toes. Swing your legs around into a butterfly and just go forward. Thank you for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you participated with me, let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.